Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 6 again. So as you know, we were doing the revision of chapter number 10 mathematical sentences, and today we are going to continue from this chapter, as well as this chapter is very important and this chapter belongs to algebra section, and I am your math teacher, Miss Falak Nas. So what is your today's lecture content? First, we are going to learn about exercise number 10.4. I am going to explain how you will solve exercise number 10.4. The topic of exercise number 10.4 is inequations. Okay, topic is inequations, and you will solve some questions from the chapter common fractions as well, right? So let's start from topic number 1, that is exercise number 10.4, and the question is solve the following inequation. Okay, question is solve the following inequations. Now, what is the question here? For example, here you have a plus 1 less than 9. Okay, if any equation contains or any mathematical sentence contains this sign, that is less than sign or greater sign, so that will be called as inequation. Okay, it will be called as inequation if what any mathematical sentence contain this sign, greater sign or lesser sign, so the whole thing is called as inequation, and you have to solve it. Okay, and you have to find out the solution set here. So first you will start with the heading of what solution, and then you will copy down your question again, which is a plus 1 less than 9. Okay, now you will solve it like the exercise number 10.3. Here if you have plus 1, so what you will do, minus 1 on both sides. Okay, if you have here plus 1, so what you will do, you will write here a plus 1 and minus 1, right? And it will be on both sides less than sign, then you will copy 9 as it is, and then minus 1. Okay, now this is plus minus, so it will be cancelled, and what will be left here, a less than 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Now, if I'm going to ask you to make the solution set, if I'm going to ask you to make its solution set, so how you will make it? Your a is equals to what? A is less than 8, यानी कि 8 से छोटा है. So what will be the answer, class? Please write it down in the chat box. A is less than 8. So solution set. What you will write here? 7? Only 7? 7, 8? No. Yes, student, what will be the answer? Hmm? Okay, solution set is less than 8. So A is equals to what? What you will write? You will write here A. You will write here A is equals to what? A से छोटा 8 से छोटा क्या होगा? 7. Or you will write here 7. 7 is less than. You will write here 6. You will write here 5, 4, and so on. It will be continued. This will be the final answer. Clear? Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, and so on. Now I'm going to explain again. Now here you have plus 1. So what you will do? You will do minus 1 on both sides. Just like here you have plus 1, minus 1. So you will write minus 1 as well. Okay, this plus 1, minus 1 will be cancelled. So what will be left? A is less than 8. Means your solution set is now less than 8. So you will write here solution set A is equals to 7, 6, 5, and so on. Okay, so this will be your solution set, right? When you will write, when you have this sign, greater sign or lesser sign. Okay, when you will write, then you will write your solution set in this form. Next is this question, 2a is greater than 8. Okay, what you have, 2a greater than 8. Okay, now you will start with the heading of solution. Okay, 2a greater than 8, and you will start with the heading of solution. First you will write down your question again, which is 2a greater than 8. Okay, now 2 is multiplying with a. 2 is कोई भी sign नहीं है in between, so it means they are multiplying. So opposite of multiply will be मल्टीप्लाई का उल्टा क्या होगा? प्लस है तो माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड. Okay, if you have plus, so opposite of plus will be minus and multiply will be divide. So here 2 is multiplying with a na, so you will, what you will do, you will divide it. How you will divide it? You will write 2a upon 2 greater than 8 upon 2. Okay, now you will cancel it. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. So what will be left here? You will write here only a is left, so you will write here a greater than 4. Now solution set. Who will tell me the solution set? A is greater than 4. Greater than 4. Greater. Very good. Yes, student, please reply. 3, 2, 1. Yes, Alina, your answer is right. A is greater than 1. Yes, so Hima, right answer. So you will write here greater than 4. So you will write here 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, clear? I'm going to repeat it again. What you have 2a. So 2 is multiplying with a. So opposite of multiply will be divide. So you will write here 2a divided by 2 greater than 8 upon 2. Now you will cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 fours are 8. Right? So what will be left here? A is greater than 4. Okay, and you will write the solution set. What you will, your solution set is a is equals to 5, 6, 7, and so on. That's it. This is simple and easy. Please tell me, is it simple? Is this simple? Right? Now, all of you have worksheets. Do you have your worksheets with along with you? Because we are going to start our work today. Okay. Now, this is your classwork, and please do this. Exercise number 10.3, question number, sorry, 10.4. Exercise number 10.4. Okay. 10.4, question number 2. Hurry up, everyone start solving it. Exercise number 10.4, question number 2, and then afterwards we will do simplification. Okay. Okay, now start from Miram. Yes, Miram, please share. Okay, x is less than 9. Okay, fine. Fine. Here write solution set. Right, solution set. Less than का symbol है. Okay, next is Javeria. Okay, fine. Write down solution set. Aiza. Very good. Very good. Iman. Solution set x is equals to 876. Very good. Okay, write down the answer. Solution set x is equals to. Okay, who is this? Suhema. Suhema, answer 8. Right, beta, right. Right answer. Okay, now next is Naima. Naima, do not put here sign of equality. Okay, do not put sign of equality here. Okay, next is Hadika. Just a minute. Very good, Hadika. Hadika, write here x is equals to, then curly brackets. In the solution set, write x is equals to. Hadika, I am talking to you. Okay, those participants who raised their hands, please. Yes, Miram and Marusha. Marusha, I have checked your work. Okay, you Sarah. Okay, now fine, it's okay. You Sarah, are you doing? Okay, Marusha, beta, what's wrong with you? Hmm? Marusha. Okay, Alina, just a minute. I'm checking your work. Hmm? Less than 9. 9 से छोटा. Okay, Umar bin Salman. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Right. Iman, have you... Alina, I'm just checking your work. Just a minute. Abdul Irfan, what are you doing, Bete? Alina, I can't see you. Where are you? Okay, Alina, now you are here. Okay, as you can see, answer will be... Alina, do not put the sign of equality here. Do not put sign of equality
Sign
here.
of equality here.
And answer
Do
is
not
right.
put sign of
Okay, yes.
equality.
Do not write this equal sign. No. Right? Okay, on Sheikh, just a minute. Iman Hasham. Very good, Iman Hasham. Ehan. A, not A, X, beta. This is X. X is equals to 8765. Okay, on I'm checking your work. Okay, Hania. You, Sarah? And Hania? Yes, Sarah, what do you want to ask, Viti? Miraj,
Miss,
your
I
work,
want to
please.
show video.
Work, please.
Good, I think all of you have done. Abdullah Irfan, your on work, please. Abdullah Irfan. Where are you? Show your work, Abdullah Irfan. Okay, fine. Okay, let's start the next
Okay,
work.
fine. Okay, let's start the next one.
Okay, I will check after the work, after the next work. Okay, next, let's start the next work. Now, next question is have you will solve it by yourself. Now, question is this
Right.
one.
Now, question is this one.
Now, write down this question, simplify. Just a minute. Yes. Write down this question, simplify. Everyone. Question is
Question
simplify.
is simplify
Copy down this question and you will solve it by yourself. Okay.
by
5 whole 1 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 4. Yes, you may start from the same page, beta. Multiply by bracket 3 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 4 whole 1 upon 2. Right? So this is your question. Copied. Meeram, beta, please unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Can you listen me?
Yes.
But I can't hear you.
Yes. आवाज आ रही है?
I can't hear you. Now speak again.
Miss. Hello.
Yes. Meeram, beta, can you show your work through camera? Is it possible? Ah, very good. Yes. Now, but just do your work. Okay? Keep doing your work. Okay, very good. Hmm. Okay, in the first step, what you will do? In the first step, what you will do? You will convert them into improper fraction. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Just a minute. Hold on. Meeram, hold on. Okay, Rina, you can solve it first from pencil. Okay, just a minute. I'm checking your work. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. 31 upon 9. Why, Anshia? Hmm? What's wrong with you, on? Please show your work. So, Hima, your answer is just a minute. I'm going to check your answer. Um, so, Hima, just a minute. Why you are doing like this? Meeram, please show your work. Just a minute. I'm going to explain it with Meeram works. Meeram, just a minute. Okay, now look at here, everyone. What you have here, in the first step, what you will do, you will convert it into improper fraction. Now, afterwards, what you will do, you will cancel it. So, Hema, look at here, cancel it, beta. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Here, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So, what will be left here in this whole term? Only 4 will be left. Okay, and here what you will left with 7 upon 9. Now you will multiply 4 and 7. So 4 multiplied by 7 will be, then you will write 28. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. So it will become 28 upon 9. And then you will convert it into mixed fraction. Whole numbers. Yes, divide. Very good, Meera. What about other students? Dilavesh, beta, what do you want to ask? Please speak.
Miss. ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 1/3 प्लस 2/3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 ये आंसर कैसे है?
Hmm?
ये जो आपने सेकंड स्टेप यहाँ पे किया हुआ है
ये तो नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये अलग क्वेश्चन, इसको छोड़ दे, ये अलग क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन,
मुझे
राइट?
लगा कि वो उसका ही पार्ट
नहीं नहीं. नाउ सॉल्व इट.
है.
ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू चेक अदर.
यस.
ओके, जवेरिया.
मैं चांद तारे
Oh, you know what's wrong with Zoom here. Just a minute, students. Okay, now I'm going to check your work, okay? Each works, okay? Now, this is Miram's work, and obviously good. Okay, next is... okay, one by one, I'm going to check your work. Okay, next is... just a minute. Okay, Abdullah Irfan, what do you want to ask something? Abdullah? Abdullah, do you want to ask something? No? Now show your work. Show your work, beta. Everyone, please be ready. I'm going to check each and everyone's work. Okay, fine. Okay, next is Suhema. Have you done? Done? No? Okay, keep doing. On shift, I'm going to check your work. Abdullah Irfan, what do you want to ask? And Alina Salman? Okay, fine. Right. Why you haven't cancelled it here on shift? You can cancel it from here. Na? 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3.
मिस मैंने ठीक करा है.
Who is this? Alina?
Yes मिस.
Just a minute, I'm checking your work.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, just a minute. Yes, Alina, will correct it. It is absolutely correct. Okay, Marusha, I'm
Okay
checking.
miss.
Okay, now you may mute yourself, okay? Okay, Marusha. Right. Yes, right, Marusha. Okay, Hadika. Okay, next page, Hadika. Next page. Fine, very good. Okay, next is who is this? Umar bin Salman. What is your answer? Right. Now move on to the next question. I hope all of you have done. Haya, have you done? No? Why no? Yes. Yes. No. Okay, unmute. Okay, fine. Javeria, right work. दिखाइए ये कौन है? Who is this? Aiza. Right answer, Aiza. एक मिनट, Aiza. Aiza, just a minute. 28 upon 9, na? This will be 28 upon 9. Second last step. It will be 28 upon 9. Okay, next is Iman. Fine, very good. Okay, Dilavesh, how much have you done? Now you are going to start the next one. I'm going to start the next one. Now, start this one. Solve this one. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. Oof. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. Second one. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. Miram, show your work. Shabash. Now this one. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. This one, right? 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. Now here you have two operations, plus and divide. So what you will do? You will take the reciprocal, yes. Just a minute. Okay, on. Just a minute. Zain, Fahim, turn on your camera. What's wrong with it? Marusha, why you have raised your hand? Ihan, are you doing? Say yes or no. Yes. बस गर्दन हिला दीजिए. Very good. Now. Okay. I think all of you have copied the question, right? Say yes. बस गर्दन हिला दीजिए. Yes. Yes, ना? Okay. No, we do not add denominator. I'm going to check each one answer. Just a minute. Okay, who is this? This is Miram's work. Okay, look at here. What she has done. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 3. Okay, now you will take the reciprocal. No, Miram, wrong. Divided by 3 करेंगे पहले reciprocal लेंगे. First we will take the reciprocal, right? On, I'm going to check your work. Just a minute. Okay, Hadika, your work. Yes, this is right. Divided, multiply by 1 upon 3. Then you will multiply it. 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2, and 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9. Very good. Right. Now you will make the denominator same. 3 3s are 9. Very good. No need to convert it into mixed fraction. This is a proper fraction. 5 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Now. Okay, on Sheikh, I'm going to check your work. इसको पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Very good. On. Very good. Okay, I'm going to explain it. I'm going to explain the first step. Dilavesh, I'm checking your work. Wrong. Now look at here. I'm going to explain it. Look at here. What you will do. This is 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 divided by. Na? So everything will remain same. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, and it is divided by 3, so you will make multiply by 1 upon 3. Please listen everyone. Now you are going to solve this one first. First you will solve multiplication, not addition. Okay, it will remain same 1 upon 3 plus. Okay, now nothing can be cancelled here, so simply you will multiply them together, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2, and 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9. Now you are going to add these two fractions. Now, but you can see different denominators. This is 3, this is 9. So we can make it 9. How? 3 multiply by 3. Similarly, we are going to multiply the numerator with the same number. Okay, so what it will become? 1 multiplied by 3 will be 3 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 2 upon 9. So simply you will add it. Now numerator denominators are same, so you can add the numerator. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, and denominator will remain same, that is 9. 5 upon 9 is your answer. Now please tell me, is it clear? If it is not clear, then I'm going to repeat it again. Is it clear? Dilavesh, is it clear? No? So start solving it. Okay, now start solving it. Haya, what are you doing? Now show your work. Time is almost over. Okay, Miram, now your work. Very good. Now this is right. So student, as you can see, this is the right work. Who is this? Suhema. Very good, Suhema. Very good. Okay, who is this? Naima. Very good, Naima. Right answer.